Hi everybody. Again we are in our next economics. Did you read what we studied in the last day? I think many of you didn't read it. I know many of you many very lazy. I know. But don't like that. You are just before the 10th standard. So be serious just like that of 10th standard. Okay. Last day we studied about which how after which we studied in the class. We studied about the labor is the fourth requirement of production. Is it? Next we need to study into your which page number 9th. The capital needed in family. What is capital? We know fixed capital, working capital, and what about the capital needed in farming? Listen to them. Then in the chapter or in the pages you have many words. Just read that. Okay. For example, here let us discuss how we see why are farm labors like Dala and Ramkali poor. That type of questions you can discuss. Okay. No need to discuss in the classroom. Okay. The capital needed in the farming. What about that? You have already seen that the modern farming methods require a great deal of capital. Great deal of capital. Much items one modern farming methods capitals one. So that the farmers now need more money than before. Like we know traditional seeds cash one for HYD seeds. Seeds for seeds they need cash and chemical fertilizer, pesticides, and for irrigation. That too they needed money. Most small farmers have to borrow money to arrange for the capital. Most small farmers have to borrow money. Borrow money means they need to buy money from others. Arrange for the capital. They borrow from large farmers or the village money lenders or the traders who supply various inputs for cultivation. The rate of interest on such loans is very high. They are put to great distress to repay the loans. Most small farmers have to borrow money to arrange for the capital. For arrange capital for their cultivation, they want to borrow money from others. They borrow from large farmers. Either they borrow from large farmers or the village money lenders. Village money lenders means cash interest. Money lenders. Or traders who supply various inputs for the cultivation. Pesticides which chemical fertilizer traders or the traders who supply various inputs for cultivation. Tractor, machines use traders cash they need to for cash items they doing their cultivation. Who? Small farmers. The rate of interest on such loans is very high. Interest high situation. They are put to great distress to repay the loan. Loan distress difficult. Okay. Then second point, in contrast to the small farmers, the medium and large farmers have their own savings from farming. They are thus able to arrange for the capital needed. How do these farmers have their own savings? You shall find the answer in the next section. Now, in contrast to small farmers, small farmers are just opposite. are medium and large farmers. They have their own savings from farming. അവരുടെ ഫാമിങ്ങിൽ നിന്ന് കൾട്ടിവേഷനിൽ നിന്ന് അവർക്ക് അവരുടേതായിട്ടുള്ള സേവിങ്സ് ഉണ്ട് അല്ലേ. ഈ വർഷം കൾട്ടിവേഷൻ നടത്തി അവർക്ക് ഒരുപാട് വീറ്റ് ആണെങ്കിൽ വീറ്റ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ റൈസ് ആണെങ്കിൽ റൈസ് കിട്ടി. അവരുടെ കൺസംഷന് അവരുടെ ഫുഡിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് അവർ റെസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്തു, കുറച്ച് എടുത്തു വെച്ചു. ബാക്കി സർപ്ലസ് ആയിട്ടുള്ളത് വില്ലേജിൽ കൊണ്ടുപോയിട്ട് വിറ്റിട്ട് അവർക്ക് ഒരുപാട് ക്യാഷ് ഉണ്ട്. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ഹിയർ. They have their own savings from farming. This savings, they are thus able to arrange for the capital need. എന്തെല്ലാം ക്യാപിറ്റൽസ് നെക്സ്റ്റ് കൾട്ടിവേഷന് വേണം അതെല്ലാം അവർക്ക് അറേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്നുണ്ട് ബിക്കോസ് ഓഫ് their savings from the farming. How do these farmers have their own savings? You shall find the answer in the next section. We have read about the three factors of production: land, labor and capital, and how they are used in farming. Let us fill in the blanks given below. There is one paragraph, you can fill that. Before that we can discuss that. Violet box, listen to them. Savita is a small farmer. The plans to cultivate wheat on her 1 acre of land. Savita is a small farmer. She has 1 acre land. She decided to cultivate it on her land. Besides seeds, fertilizers and pesticides, she needs cash to buy water and repair her farm instruments. She needed money for seeds, fertilizers and pesticides. Without that, they needed. She has no well. That's why she need to cash for buy water and repair her farm instruments. She'ക്ക് വേണ്ടിയിട്ടുള്ള ഇൻസ്ട്രുമെന്റ്സ് റിപ്പയർ ചെയ്തെങ്കിലും she needed money. She estimates that the working capital itself would cost a minimum of 3,000. Working capital മാത്രം 3,000 she needed. She doesn't have the money. She has no money. So she desired to borrow from Tejpal Singh, a large farmer. Tejpal Singh എന്ന് പറയുന്ന large farmer നിന്ന് she decided to borrow money. Tejpal Singh agrees to give Savita the loan at an interest rate of 24% for 4 months. 4 മാസത്തേക്ക് 24%. 100 രൂപ വാങ്ങിയാൽ 24 രൂപ പലിശ. 1000 രൂപ വാങ്ങിയാൽ എത്രയാ 240 രൂപ പലിശ 4 മാസത്തേക്ക്, which is a very high interest rate. Savita also has to promise to work on his field as a farm labor during the harvest season at 35 per day. അത്ര ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് കൊടുക്കണമെന്ന് മാത്രമല്ല, തേജ്പാൽ സിംഗിൻ്റെ ഫീൽഡിൽ കൃഷിയിടത്തിൽ കൂലിക്ക് ജോലിയെടുക്കാം. ഹാർവസ്റ്റ് സീസൺ, അത് വിളവെടുക്കുന്ന സമയത്ത് 35 രൂപ ദിവസം കൂലിക്ക് ജോലിയെടുക്കാമെന്നും പ്രോമിസ് ചെയ്തു. As you can tell, this wage is quite low. 35 രൂപ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ വെരി ലോ വേജാണ്. So Savita knows that she will have to work very hard to complete harvesting on her own field. അവളുടെ ഫീൽഡ് അവൾ തന്നെ ആയിരിക്കും ഹാർവെസ്റ്റിംഗ് നടക്കുക. She knows that she will have to work hard in her own field and then work as a farm labor for Tejpal Singh. Harvesting seasonൽ Tejpal Singhന്റെ ഫീൽഡിൽ വർക്ക് ചെയ്യണം. So as a mother of 3 children, she has a lot of household responsibilities. ഒരുപാട് പ്രാരാബ്ദങ്ങളുണ്ട്. Savita agrees to these tough conditions as she knows getting a loan is difficult for a small farmer. ഒരു സ്മോൾ ഫാമർക്ക് ലോൺ കിട്ടാൻ ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടാണ്. ഇതെല്ലാം അംഗീകരിച്ചെങ്കിലും ലോൺ കിട്ടും എന്നുള്ള കാരണം കൊണ്ട് she agreed to this tough conditions. That is the situation about the small farmers. Okay, then listen to that paragraph. You need to fill in the. Among the 3 factors of production, we found that labor is the most abundant factor of production. Land is fixed, capital too fixed, but labor is the most abundant. Abundant means we have lot of laborers. That is abundant factor of production we saw. There are many people who are willing to work as farm laborers in the villages, whereas the opportunities of work are limited. Opportunities of work are limited, but labors are abundant. They are belonging to either landless families or which landless families or small landowners families. You may write that families cultivating small plot of land. You may write in that line or fill in that line, fill in the blanks. Families cultivating small plots of land. What is saying there? These laborers, they belonging to either landless families or families cultivating small plots of land. They are paid low wages and lead a difficult life. They are getting low cash for wage and they are which lead a difficult life. Next paragraph. In contrast to labor, dash is scarce factor of production. Which is a scarce. Scarce means വളരെ കുറച്ച്. In contrast, in opposite that of labor. Laborന്റെ just opposite ആയിട്ട് scarce ആയിരിക്കുന്ന factor of production എന്താണ്? Yes, land. You may write the land. Land is a scarce factor of production. Cultivated land area is dash. Cultivated land area is fixed. You may write the fixed. Moreover, even the existing land is distributed equally or unequally. What is the answer? Not equally. Some people have lot of land, but lot of people have only some land. So you can write the unequally. Moreover, even the existing land is distributed unequally among the people engaged in farming. There are a large number of small farmers who cultivate small plots of land. There are a large number of small farmers who cultivate small plots of land and live in conditions not much better than landless farm laborers. Okay, to make the maximum use of the existing land, farmers use dash and dash. Both of these have led to increase in the production of crops. What is saying here? There are large number of small farmers who cultivate small plots of land and live in conditions not much better than the landless farm laborers. Land ഇല്ലാത്ത farm laborers ജീവിക്കുന്നതിൽ കൂടുതലൊന്നും നല്ല സുഖത്തിലല്ല സ്മോൾ പ്ലോട്ട്സ് ഓഫ് ലാൻഡ് കൈകാര്യം ചെയ്യുന്ന ആളുകളും ജീവിക്കുന്നത്. To make the maximum use of existing land maximum utilize land, they are using, you can fill the HYV seeds and chemical fertilizer. HYV seeds and chemical fertilizer. Both these have led to increase in production crops. Production crops increase ഇത് led ചെയ്യും. Okay, next paragraph. Modern farming methods require a great deal of modern farming methods require a great deal. Modern farming methods in എന്ത് വേണം കൂടുതലായിട്ട് which capital or money. Modern farming methods require a great deal of money. Small farmers usually need to borrow money to arrange for the capital. Capital means they need to borrow money and are put to great distress to repay loan. Therefore, capital too is scarce factor production. For production, capital scarce we can say, particularly for the small farmers. Small farmers capital scarce, we can say that. Next paragraph. Though both land and capital are scarce, we can say land and capital scarce. Where is basic difference between the two factors of production? Land is a natural resource. Land and capital scarce and the basic difference in it, which dash is natural resource. Land and capital is natural resource. Sorry, land is natural resource, whereas capital is man-made. You may feel the capital is man-made. It is possible to increase capital, whereas land is fixed. Therefore, it is very important that we take good care of land and other natural resources used in farming. Okay. After that we can study. Okay. Next day we can see with our next topic, that is sale of surplus farm products. So you should read minimum 5 times after the class. Okay, we can see in the next class with our next topic. Thank you.